In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and manage multiple currencies in QuickBooks. If you're running a business that engages with customers or vendors in different countries, being able to handle multiple currencies is essential. Let's walk through the steps. First, open your web browser and head over to QuickBooks by entering the URL or simply clicking a pre-saved link. Once on the home page, log into your account using your credentials. This is the first step to accessing all of QuickBooks features and settings. Now that you're logged in, look toward the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll see a small gear icon. Click on it. This will open up a menu of options. Under the section labeled Your Company, you'll find another link titled Account and Settings. Select this to enter the area where you can fine-tune your account preferences. Once inside the Account and Settings area, you should notice a navigation menu on the left side of your screen. This is your toolbox for configuring various elements of your QuickBooks account. Scroll down and click on Advanced. This section contains more specialized settings for your account, including currency options. Now, scroll further down until you come across the currency option. Here, you have the ability to enable multi-currency support. Keep in mind that this is a one-way switch. Once you turn on multi-currency, you can't revert to a single currency setup. So make sure this change aligns with your business needs before committing. Once multi-currency support is enabled, you'll notice you can add and manage multiple currencies. For demonstration purposes, let's say I've already activated this feature and added a few currencies. You can now see them listed in the Currency Center. To add a new currency, simply click on Add Currency, and choose from the list of available options. For example, if you want to add the Japanese yen, find it in the list and select it. You should see it added immediately to your list of usable currencies. From here, navigate over to the Sales section of QuickBooks. Integrating multiple currencies extends to handling customers worldwide. You can add new customer profiles and associate them with their relevant currencies. Start by clicking on New Customer, and in the profile setup, you'll find a currency drop-down menu. This feature makes it easier to handle transactions with international clients seamlessly. And there you have it. You now know how to set up and manage multiple currencies within QuickBooks, making your international dealings much more straightforward. With this streamlined approach, you can focus more on growing your business and less on manual currency adjustments. Thanks for watching, and happy bookkeeping!